Hey guys, I am online and I'm on the air, bringing you guys another art tutorial because I strongly believe that education should be free. In some places it is, just not here in corporate America. For this next step in building hair with Blender and Bezier curves, I'm going to add hair to the head. There are different ways you can do this. You can make like a separate NURBS path, like the hair template you made before. But you can actually just like copy the original template. Just make sure you're out in object mode, select your NURBS path from the template, Shift D to duplicate it. Now I want to position this guy front view. There we go. On my character's head. So I will right click it to get my snap menu from the context menu and selection to cursor. I want to zoom in on this guy, frame selected. Now rotate X, Y, X set, yeah, here we go. 90 degrees, or minus 90, close enough. Rotate by, alright, once you got it into a position that you're happy with, that you're comfortable with, you can start tweaking it. Go into edit mode. Remember all those tools I was talking about before? Like moving and whatnot. Use those tools now. Just move the hair strands and rotate them until you're happy with the general shape that you got. I want to make this a little bit bigger. Scale up. Now, when you're in edit mode, you should do parts of it in edit mode and parts of it in the other mode, because in object mode, because you don't want to have like 100 different strands in here. Maybe you want to have like a bunch of strands for like the bangs, and maybe a bunch of strands for like the overall head, and maybe a bunch of strands for the back part, the long hair, or maybe some strands for like, I forget what you call those things, those sideburn things. So just keep that in mind. Keep in mind how you're building this thing. Okay, I'm gonna do the bangs. Oh, here's something else. You see what's happening here? My hair isn't twisting the way I wanted it to. That's something else I need to cover. You see that? You see the way the hair is kind of twisting in a strange way? Okay, I'll show you how to like accommodate for this. There's another tool over here called tilt. The shortcut is Control T. And when you use that tool, you can actually rotate your hair strands. If you go to like the select menu, you can see various options that are available to you. I find select linked and select more to be helpful. Right, whoops. If you have a mouse wheel, you can just use the mouse wheel to increase the radius of your proportional editing. And you should also check if it's set to connected only. I like to like work with connected only when I'm doing hair. That way I don't end up like messing up my other hair clumps.